First off, we're going to need a pound of alligator meat cut into half-inch cubes. Marinate this in a cup of buttermilk and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour. This process tenderizes the meat and gives it a mild, tangy flavor that's absolutely delightful. While the meat is marinating, it's time to prepare the coating. In a separate bowl, combine a cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of cornmeal, a teaspoon each of garlic powder and paprika, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Next, heat up the oil in a deep fryer or a large pot to 375 degrees. Once the oil is hot enough, it's time to cook the alligator. Remove the meat from the buttermilk, letting any excess drip off. Then, dredge the pieces in the flour mixture until they're well coated. Fry them in batches in the hot oil until they're golden and crispy, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once they're cooked, transfer the alligator bites to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. For the spicy dipping sauce, you'll need half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a tablespoon of horseradish, a teaspoon of hot sauce, or more if you like it extra spicy, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and the juice of half a lemon. In a small bowl, mix all these ingredients together until well blended. Chill the sauce in the refrigerator for at least half an hour before serving to let the flavors meld. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.